What do you want? What do you want to do?
Let's Hawaiian. Yeah. What do you want to start? You want to start left or right? Okay. Sean, for this side, do you want this or this?
Sean, short serve shot.
Short serve?
Yeah.
You sure? You act like Sean won't push you all the way back. All right.
Oh, Skyball? It's bro. It's so you. I got it. You got it. Oh, shit, get there.
Hey, he got it! No, wait, he totally had it!
You got me.
You totally had it! It's so funny
I
because
too much everything.
it's so funny because it grabs you so fast. Well, there's...
Hang on.
No, I saw it. I know you did. Yeah.
I'm like thinking so much.
Did you just pull up too fast? Yeah, I was gonna go corner, but he said he actually went too far. I know, I'm used to him hitting that corner. Yeah. One?
One.
My call then. Yep.
Sir. I'm there. Put me outside.
Hit that. I'm back on the height.
Watch over. You got it.
Oh,
yes,
yes,
Conway! Go.
Hey.
Oh,
Sean! I got stuck. Okay, 3 ball. Sorry, that way. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Thank you. Perfect. I couldn't open my hand. It was done. It was so funny. Is it 3-1?
2-1.
2-1. What the hell? That was one rally.
That was 1 point, baby. Crazy.
Game to 35.
Sir.
Okay, yo, sure.
Nice pass, Sean.
Off. Watch roll.
You got that? Tight.
Time to bang out.
Oh, it's not tight. It was in fact not tight.
No, that's big.
I wanted to be tight.
Like, everything feels right about it. I contacted, it's all wrong.
I think you're still early. It's my problem.
2-3?
Twos.
Dude, oh shit, really?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
I got it. Okay. I'm with you.
Come on,
Nice.
Conway. Oh shit.
Thank you for the save. Thank you for the bail.
What rotation?
Thank you for the bailout.
Oh, that's me. 3-2?
I'm the bank in 08 and you're the government.
Wait, what? What does that mean?
Yeah, I see.
What does that mean?
He bailed me out.
Just straight up. Thanks. I tried to pull a Nolan. That's me. No, 4-3. No, 4-2. 4-2. That's good. You like country? No. What were you used to doing out? Oh, shit.
There.
I think it's out.
That's it!
Okay.
Alright.
Yes, sir. Call your sir! Yeah. Come on, Nunway. 5-2. Hold on. Yeah? Good? Yeah, I see. I see. Hello. Yes, 6-2.
Yeah, you got it.
You're so okay. 3-6? Okay.
To who?
Myself, bro. No? Okay.
3-6.
Yeah.
Serve it. Tight.
Tip.
Oh,
Good spot.
Oh, Alan!
Nice.
Come on!
Oh, there we go. Nice. Very nice.
No, I mean, I can totally get it. I just don't know. You're on my way. Yeah. No, I can for sure pick it up.
That was very tight. Way to work with that.
7-3.
Yep.
Short.
pulling back, pulling back.
Yes, that's good. Yeah, that was a great spot. Jordy, off. Good off.
Oh!
What a spot.
I thought it was gonna cut.
No, me too.
I like cheated.
I did cheat as
Yeah,
well.
Pokey?
Yeah.
That's great, right?
That was a great spot. Holy shit.
Do it again.
4-8 or 4-7?
4-7.
Okay. You're the one call for me. Oh, you want the block? No, I'll do this. Yeah, let's start there. Yeah. Serve. Push over. Yeah. You got it. Yeah. Do it. Over here.
Oh, yeah.
Woohoo!
In.
Oh! I was on the line.
He got that line in.
What the fuck? Excuse me?
He moved the line with his
You want to see if my gorilla has what Yankee did?
Challenge.
Challenge. 5-7?
Yeah.
Serve. Oh shit, that was out!
Ah, lucky. Let's go.
I hesitated. Yeah. Ah! You have a ball over there. Nice option, boys.
Are these both our balls?
Looks like a pair of ball sacks.
One of them is ours, I think.
This says Joshua.
Take your shirt off, Keith. You're next. There's enough time for one more game after this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because there's
Twilight.
Yeah, it's Twilight. Twilight.
Go.
8-5.
8-5?
Yeah.
8-5.
Oh, my call. Yeah, I got it. Yours.
He's there.
Oh!
Let's go.
Oh.
Switch.
No, if it wasn't uphill, oh. Oh, it wasn't paid. I slammed it. No, my white's, well, yes, but I mean, I'm wide stepping enough to be able to get there. Without,
Dennis.
Oh, he dropped. Good serve.
Dennis, 05. Yep. You.
Good, got two.
I'm there.
Touch! He's there. Yeah, I got your over. Oh, yeah.
That's 4.
What the fuck?
That's 4. You touched.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Such a good
Dennis, 1-5. Non-wave research, please.
No, that wasn't a good service, sorry.
All right, recap. 1-5?
1-5.
Okay.
1-5.
Ready?
Yep.
Yes. Thank you, shot first.
I'm back.
Nice. He's there. Holy shit.
Yeah, they're pretty
That's
impressive.
I like Josh, and I was like,
I'm not anyway.
I'm not bad.
I barely get anything off the ground.
Go fight for it. Go good. Yeah, play on. Yeah. You got this.
Dennis. 3-5.
2-5.
Okay, good. One over. Yeah.
Oh, shit. Low. Nice take.
Fuck.
Okay.
Nobody. Go. Oh, yeah, nobody.
Yeah, get up. That's my fault. I put it straight behind.
Sean, how's the height?
I was trying to do something like tricky, you know.
Yeah, I was trying to
shoot it really
I
high.
jumped it, yeah. But your
We got
body
it. We'll
faced
get
the
the
entire wrong
Trust me to
direction.
put the ball
I know
high.
you.
Trust me to put the ball
I know
high
you wanted to
and
hit
then just wait a
Keith for the
wait
last two
before you
games.
release.
What?
6-2.
Sorry.
Okay. You got it.
Go away. I did pull back. Yep. Faster, Brian. Faster.
Crossing certified. Okay, works.
It's great indoor.
And anyone who's as cool as you. Hey, what the fuck?
Well, no, but for indoor, I mean, everyone's fucked. People like just feel good. Deep in sixes.
Light work.
3-6, I think.
Yeah.
I see it.
Yeah. What?
Here? Yeah. Off. Okay. Come on.
You got it. Nice.
You tell me to stay? Yeah, stay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, because now it's not good. Yeah. Okay. Hey, you're not gonna.
I got it.
Yeah.
4, 6. 1, 6.
You. Yeah.
You got it.
Oh.
Switch. Come back.
You give us a ball. There's 3 balls behind me. Oh, this twilight is beautiful.
It is. Yeah. Sunset.
Even more.
No,
Yeah. Alright, no go. Sir, 7-14. Oh, damn. Oh, the right's good.
He wants it.
I need to put you tighter.
No,
Now Kiwi's laughing.
I see. I
You
see
know
him
how
hitting
play
from behind
beach?
you.
I'm not gonna lie.
I yell at you to wait.
That's
I
like
was
us.
right there,
That was
Nahue.
2 weeks ago,
I was
dude.
right there
That was when
yesterday.
Nahue really tight our game and he still hit 1 foot in the net.
It's very close.
That was 4.
8-4. Wait. Ah.
Kiwi's still laughing so hard, bro.
I know this one, Nahue.
I'll go to the next one.
Got it, man.
Sure.
Hey, Nahue, come on, 9-4. Sir.
Oh.
Light work, baby.
I still have your
Got it.
Go for it. Free ball.
4. Service.
Oh no.
Auto.
5-9. Yeah. No, we're out.
Is it me?
Oh, it's me. Oh, wait, no.
All 5.
Oh,
5. No, yeah, it's me.
25 only.
Yeah. We started serving first.
Yeah,
Oh, no,
it's not-
Sean
it's
served
not-
first.
It's not 35.
Sean, me, Brian, you.
Yeah, that's right, yeah. So 05. 5.
Oh, no?
5-0. 5-0.
Where?
Where?
What?
Did no one get the joke? 5-0. Do you know what 5-0 is?
6-7.
Sorry, uncle. Yo, they've been calling me Valley Unk.
Others.
Oh yeah? Oh, so close. That's me. Fucking lazy.
1-5.
Yeah, I'm not even like, I'm not here.
For that, if you drop your elbow but reach forward, it launches.
We're approaching too early. Yeah. If you're hitting it like this,
Here, yeah.
that means you overran.
You overran.
1-5.
No, wait. 3
Here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, no, this, right?
6.
1-5.
1-5.
Yeah.
Yes, 1-5. Sorry. Yep.
There it is. Come on. Oh, God.
Oh, damn it.
Oh.
There's
Alright, we're gonna wait that low. I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna like stand it.
Is that position? Is that
I'm so
position?
not you. No. I'm proud that everything we're doing, I'm applying slowly, okay? 2-6.
Wait, that's a switch.
I'm in a line.
1-6.
1-6.
Yeah. Sir.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. That's crazy. Let's go.
I tried so hard.
I didn't expect it. What?
Yeah.
Right.
To you. Watch over.
No. 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 Tighter.
Yeah.
Replay.
What the fuck? Ain't no way.
Charles Beck could have gotten it.
8-1.
Ah, Daddy!
Let's go. I love you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's tough.
No, it's ball. It's just a ball.
9-1.
Immunity?
I'm waiting. Oh!
He pulled the non-way! He pulled the non-way!
Oh, what? Oh, is that point one?
Yep.
Point one.
Oh, no, it's 10-11.
Alright, stat ball.
Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. You're the wrong way. You got it.
Nope. Oh, cool. Wait. Oh, fuck.
No, that's you.
Oh, fuck. Oh, he's there.
Oh,
I'm sideways.
Oh, okay.
I was laughing. I was like, Brian, you should get a mouth shot. You guys are on. I just heard you. And I was like, oh, get on here.